Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on LinkedIn. Blocking on LinkedIn is a useful tool to maintain a professional and secure networking experience. It empowers users to control their connections and create a positive online environment tailored to their career goals. While connecting and networking are the foundations of LinkedIn, the ability to block provides a necessary boundary for users to establish a meaningful professional presence. Learning how to block someone on LinkedIn is a straightforward process to help you maintain a professional and focused network. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to block someone. First, visit the profile. Locate the profile of the person you want to block. You can search for their name in the LinkedIn search bar. Now, once you're on their profile, find the three dots next to the connection button. A drop-down menu will appear, and choose the block option. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm your decision, and confirm, and the person will be blocked. In addition, if someone is being inappropriate by making more profiles to bother you after you've blocked them, immediately contact LinkedIn customer service. This adverse situation needs special attention, and they can help you out in the process. Currently, LinkedIn doesn't tell its users how to block someone without visiting their profile. You must go to the member's profile and hit the block button. However, LinkedIn removes your name from the people who viewed your profile list. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.